That was weird. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Audrey, and if you didn't know, I moved into a house like 2 days ago.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's
I don't know what I'm gonna say. In this video, I'm going to be redoing my room. My room in this house is smaller than the one when I lived in Alabama. But that's okay because this is such a beautiful house. Anyway, that's not the point of this video. I don't know how long this video is gonna take to film. It's probably gonna take several weeks. Last night, we went to the storage unit and got a bunch of boxes, and a few of the boxes were mine. So we're gonna deal with that. I don't remember what's in them. Okay, so it's currently November 2nd. I don't remember the last time that I vlogged. A lot has happened. We got all of the stuff from our storage unit into the house. Our house is filled with boxes, so it's fine. So I have a few boxes here to go through. I have a bunch of this stuff that I need to ask my mom about. I have my vanity here now and also my little cubicle area here. I've gotten 2 little baskets out there, and then I have another one right there that's going to go up here. All my clothes, shoes, clothes, a little wall art stuff here. And then we have this bedside table that was my parents'. They had it in their room, but they don't need it. So now we finally have a bedside table. And this is my younger sister's bed. I've currently been sleeping on the floor on my mattress. 2 days, Wednesday afternoon, I'm getting a bed frame and it's super cute. It's like this little metal day bed, and I'm super excited because I wanted a day bed for forever. That's the little update on the room, and I will see you Wednesday probably. Oh my gosh. It looks purple.
It doesn't look purple.
It looks purple. What the heck? Everything's so wrong.
What did you get?
It said twin.
AudreyAnn, this is a queen.
It literally said twin. I'm an idiot.
Where's your receipt to see if it actually rings up as twin?
Because if it doesn't, then I'm an extra idiot. Sheet set. I gotta go buy new sheets. What the heck is this? Instructions. How are you supposed to fold it in? Wait, what? I'm so confused. Hey, I did it! Okay, what the heck is this for? Okay, let's do the next one. I'm so proud of myself. All right, so it is all up. Look how nice. Oh, I love the white, it looks very clean. The only things left for this room that I need is a lamp for the bedside table. I need to get some sheets for this bed because I got the queen, if you remember. And then I need to get, I think, maybe one more storage container for under my bed and a few decorative pillows, I think. And then honestly, I should be done at that point. I've gotten like almost everything that I wanted and I'm so happy. I think that'll be all for a little while until I get more things. So I'll see you then. Hey guys, it's been a while. It's currently April and I haven't filmed since before I put up my Christmas decorations. So I thought I would just update you guys on the room transformation. I really don't remember what last you saw. I'm not planning on doing a room tour right now. If you guys want to see a room tour, let me know in the comments. You guys haven't seen this yet. We got a lamp. It's just a little small gold lamp. Bedside table. Got new pillowcases. Lots of pillows. And that's pretty much it. You might be wondering, AudreyAnn, where are your sheets? Well, I don't have any yet. I'm still using the blanket that I've been using ever since we moved here. I really need to hop on that, but I need a job. So I gotta wait till after my 16th birthday, which is this summer, guys. I'm so excited. I am hoping to plan lots of birthday themed videos. But anyway, I'm so excited because it's my sweet 16. But anyway, that is all. I hope you guys enjoyed this fun, long room transformation. If I missed anything, you'll see it in the room tour. Anyway, thank you guys for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, feel free to subscribe down below to become a part of our royal family and turn on post notifications so you never miss one of my videos. Feel free to follow me on Instagram as well, and I'll see you next time. Bye!